Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to deposit money on Metatrader 5, right? So if you want to do this, it's really easy thing to do. So first of all, you have to just go to this website, just go to Google and search for Metatrader login and you will come to here. Okay, and then you have to log in into your account. So you have to access your broker website and log in. Right, you make sure you download for whichever software you use, for example, operating system you use right now. Then you have to go to the deposit funds, right? You can see here you have to click on deposit funds and just click on it and you can deposit where several ways, right? You can see there's so many payment methods available here. Now choose from option like credit or debit card, bank transfer, wallet, whatever you like. Specify how much you want to deposit, fill in the necessary payment information right here and confirm and submit your deposit request. Open MetaTrader 5 to verify that your funds has credited. Right, so this is it. This is really easy, really easy. But if you face an issue, contact customer support, right? If you see that your deposited money is not showing up, then just contact your customer support. Ensure secure payment methods for safety and use any one of the method payment which is only shown available here or which they accept. Right. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.